Munini wa President Professor Kithure Kindiki uria wariti ari mucemanini na maminista na maabitha angi a thirikari augite ati ndeto ciigi uhotekeku wa ng'aragu bururi-ini stiumite thirikari na igoti indi thirikari ni iruacite kung'ethanira na thina uyu ungiuka.
We are taking all possible measures to prevent any part of Kenya, any citizen of Kenya having to suffer famine or lack of food.
Kindiki augite ati mibango eno to ya uheani wa uteithio wa irio indi ona guteithiriria arimi guthaitira kiria kinini gitigaririire migunda gutigirira ni kiagethwo na kiaigwo wega makumbi-ini. Na kuri arimi aria mimera yao etanaruta maciaro, munini wa president augite kuri na mibango ya kuhuthira mimera yo guthondeka irio cia mahiu guteithiriria arimi aya guthukuma o wa gatui.
In the meantime, we are also looking at modalities of using part of the crop that failed for processing and making of animal feeds, and so that farmers can also get a bit of income from the crop, even if it has not matured.
Kuona arathi ya riera makoretwo makiheana mukana wa mbura nene ya kimera kia El Nino mieri minini yukite, Kindiki augite arimi ni megukorwo magiteithiririo kwihaririria niguo kuhuthira mbura eno wega.
By seeing what kind of interventions around farm inputs, farm preparation that we can do to subsidize production and help farmers level out some of the disadvantages that are coming out from this depressed crop.
Icigo nyingi cia bururi kuria gukuraga mbembe na mboco makiria ruguru na Rift Valley kimera giki stinaumia na magetha makioneka ta megucoka thi undu uria waya gucungiriria unyihu wa irio bururi-ini. Ngeribotsera Inooro TV, Getu Wangari Maria wa Muigana.